The first winner of one of these trophies does not have his car here. It happens to be in the shop right now, but it is a trophy for longest policy holder, and it's Ken Avery. Is Ken here? Where's Ken?
There we go. Man pays his premium.
This man pays his premium. That's right. Come on up. You get your picture taken. Thank you very much. We appreciate your business. You get a picture.
There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Hold up one more. Gotta get one more.
Okay.
Here, one more.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Say cheese. Thank you. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, next we're going to do some crowd choices. We're going to do People's Choice. Beautiful 57 Chevy Bel Air. And this trophy for People's Choice goes to John, is it Haug? Haig? H-A-U-G. Is
Haig.
John here? Haig?
That's what I said. Where's your mom?
Is John here?
Here he is.
Beautiful car. Thank you, sir. You have to stop for a minute. Okay.
Great shot.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Nice stuff.
All right. Next one we have is.
All right. I'm so sorry. I didn't see that.
It's all right.
I'm cool.
Are you
I
insured?
didn't see it. We're cool. I didn't see it.
It's all right. Oh, you're okay.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. The next we've got here is Founder's Choice, and the founders picked Brian Bruder's '65 Mustang Coupe. Is Brian here?
All right.
Very eye-catching car. Thank you, sir. Get a picture taken here.
Very nice.
Thanks again. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming. Okay, this is a fun one. This is Kids' Choice. Many of the children here walked around, looked at the cars, and their pick for their favorite. Let me get this name right. John Silvidio, '69 Chevy C10 pickup. John here? John Silvidio?
I just got 20 degrees cold.
They all loved it. Thank you very much. Take a quick picture. Feeling very puny.
John was featured. John's truck was
I
featured.
know that. I know. Excellent. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming. Okay. We also have a lot of American Collectors employees here, and we have a trophy for Employees' Choice. And that trophy goes to Gerald Stiles for his 1940 Ford Coupe. Our employees, they know cars. And yours was their favorite. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. Okay, now we moved on to the judged category. Make sure I get this right here. Okay. These are all great cars. The best muscle is for that very nice 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo owned by Darrell Lemming. Is Darrell Lemming here? All right. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take a quick picture. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you coming. Thanks so much. Next we're going to do is Best Original. And this one was a 1970 Chevy Chevelle owned by Salvatore Saluga. I hope I got that name right. Sal here? Huh? Saw you this morning. Here you go. Thank you very much. Appreciate you coming. You got it? Okay. Thanks again. Thank you for coming. Okay. Next, we're moving on to Best Antique Car. Oh, I I just talked to these folks. 1961 Triumph goes to the Posits. Is Joanne here? Did they leave? Oh, I just talked to them 5 minutes ago. All right, we'll have to mail it. All right, next one is Best Modified. Goes to the fellow who owns the 1963 Chevy Corvette, Joe York. Lovely car, Mr. York. Thank you very much. Take a quick picture. Done? Okay.
Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you very much. All right.
you.
Thank you. And all right, we got the last one here. After I announce best of show, anyone who has purchased a door prize ticket, you're an automatic winner. Go over to the door prize table and collect your door prize. Okay. 5 minutes. Huh? Oh, go slowly over to the table. Slowly. All right, and the winner best of show goes to Mr. Rick Bagshaw for his 1933 Ford 3-window coupe. Car.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take a quick picture. Okay. Appreciate you coming. Thanks very much.
How many is this? Have you won?
It's about the 11th trophy.
I don't blame them. Come in here expected to win, or like what?
No, not really. I just expected to have a good time and meet nice people and other car guys. Like the sport. It was a nice day and it turned out to be great.
Did you know you were going to win?
No.
Why'd you bring the van around in front?
No, he asked me to bring it around so he could take pictures of the employees. He needed a backdrop for the pictures. So he said a red car makes a great backdrop. So that's why he brought it around.